Hello, friend. We have a brand new box to open. I don't know about you, but every time that the postman or UPS driver drops off a box at my house, I want to sing the Peanut Butter Box song is here. And if you haven't seen it, it's the cute, adorable little doggies who are excited that the bark box has arrived, and they sing, the peanut butter box is here, the peanut butter box is here. Well, this is my crafty version of a peanut butter box. This is the Scrappin Happy Studio's brand new first ever monthly box. And y'all, I had to peek. I really did. It got here just as I was headed to work, so I had to stop and take a peek, and it is fantastic. The value is amazing. This is not a subscription box, as in you have to subscribe ahead of time to get one. This is, well, at least for the first one, which was this one, she released the pre-order of it at the 1st of April, and it just got here today. I love it. All right, let's dive in. All right, so first of all, if you follow me on Insta, you saw this picture, which I absolutely love. I am a Post-it note person. I use Post-it notes for everything. I literally have Post-it notes everywhere. And to see another maker or just human being that uses Post-it notes to keep their life in order, I was so super happy. All right, so we have the cute fill. We also have this extra cute little flare butterfly. And then when we open, y'all, this box is packed full. Look at how full this is. Full, super full. All right, so let's start with some things that I know. I have, for my last order, some of the epoxy buttons. They're the flat ones, and I have all hearts. So I'm super excited that these are hearts and stars. I love these. I love these. This is probably the one that I see me ordering over and over again. There they all are. And of course my phone is going to do this. Close. All right. So, love those. Then we have hearts. And my understanding is the heart shape will only from now on be available in this box. So here it is, the heart shapes. Sweet smile, you and me, lovely day, best friends. Some solid dots. Hello, cutie. And I believe that last one says happy. Super, super fun. Another set of the flatter ones. These are actual buttons. Super cute. Here is the slender flare. This is what the little butterfly was that was on my thank you. Super cute. These are thinner. I'm going to pull this one off so you can see it. So it is definitely thinner than even the canvas flare or the regular flare. So super, super cute, super, super thin. This is canvas. I love the cameras. Love them. Then we have a set. See, y'all, I told you, this is like the fullest box ever. Look at that. We've already 5 sets in and still going. This one is canvas flare, and I love the words. These are fantastic. Great colors. Then we have some of the larger epoxy pieces and epoxy buttons. And these are all spring flowers. Super cute. And then look at this one. This is the last one in my box. This is, I don't know what it's going to be called, but look at how cute it is with the sunshines and the rainbows and the butterflies and the little dreamer. I love these. So I will say the buttons are my personal favorite because of how flat they are. But I am really grooving on these thinner, what did she call them? Slender flares. So I can't wait to use those. And then we have some of the canvas ones that you know I love. So y'all, here it is. The very first box, and it's here in my hands. I am so excited. This was absolutely 100% worth the price. It is something I will be looking at doing again. each month, I find that I am reaching for these more and more. They're becoming a staple in my scrap room. They were new to me last month when I placed my first order. And now I feel like, where have they been all of my life? So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today for this really quick haul. But I am super excited to have them here. Again, I'm a huge fan of the cameras. She could literally do this same camera set in every style and I would buy it because I think they're fantastic. I hope that you liked this video where you got to see these brand new things, and that you will hit that little like button down below. And if you are not one of my subscribers, I invite you to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and let YouTube tell you when a new video goes up. I like to put up 2 to 3 things a week to keep us inspired and crafting, because our memories are worth the time that we put into them to make memory albums and pages, and our loved ones are so incredibly worth us making handmade cards for. So until next time, my friends, go make some memories. Bye-bye.